In this video, I am going to show you whether YouTube TV offers UFC content and how you can watch it. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include a dedicated UFC channel or exclusive access to UFC events as part of its standard package. However, some UFC-related content, such as analysis shows or highlight programs, may occasionally air on sports networks included in YouTube TV's lineup, like ESPN or ESPN2. Additionally, pay-per-view (PPV) UFC events are not available through YouTube TV and typically require purchasing them separately through platforms like ESPN Plus or the UFC Fight Pass. If you're a fan of combat sports, you might need to explore these additional services to get full access to UFC fights and original programming. If this video helped you understand how to access UFC content while using YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.